of here. Oh, look at that. You guys used the nesting boxes already. Good job, ladies. We need to focus on tilling up some of this soil here. Come on, Freckles. This is awesome. They've already used the nesting crate. I went ahead yesterday and put hardware cloth on the inside to line it so that way the pine shavings don't fall out. And they started using them. The chickens didn't like the straw. Alright, your last day in this paddock. Let's till up some soil, eat some clover. We got a lot of work to do today. Today is day number 1 that the pigs aren't here. New chapter for us. Need to turn our attentions to the garden and the chickens. Gotta get the meat birds out today, and we need to get our 8 Easter eggers and our 2 black copper marans out to their coop today as well. I need to make a shelf, which is right here, to put in the chicken tractor for the meat birds for the waterer. We need to make a waterer for the 8 Easter eggers and 2 black copper marans as well. Heading to the garden now. We got these new garden bags to collect our veggies that has our farm name and logo on it. That's pretty cool. I also have a sink in the garden. How awesome is that? These tomato plants have gotten so heavy. I know we got some squash to harvest. We probably have some corn to harvest. We need to check our green beans. And we need to check our cucumbers and kajari melon. Right now I'm harvesting Baker Creek's muncher cucumbers. We should only have a handful ready to go, but we got several that are close. Jen is gonna make some cucumber salad for her dad's birthday party. I believe that's this Friday. That's a nice one. That's 3 so far. We got several that's on the vine that could wait another couple days. We got a bunch of kajari melon. We got a kajari melon that's gone stagnant on me. It hasn't changed its color or its size in the past week. I know you water less as they mature, but I got several kajari melons on here that haven't matured yet. Even though I haven't watered the garden because of all the rain, that could be the reason why. I was hoping to get all of this going up the trellis, but they have a mind of their own. It's very hard to trellis something like this when they're all intertwined. I didn't want to break any of the vines, so I kind of just let them do their own thing. Just as long as I keep them away from my tomato plants, which, by the way, I got some that's leaning that need to be trellised a lot better than what they are. Oh boy. Yeah, we're gonna do some trimming on this one. I'm not liking the looks of some of the foliage. So we're gonna get rid of this one. Now when you prune your tomato plants, you wanna try to do it first thing in the morning. So I've spotted something on my tomato plant. It's black with yellow stripes. I don't know if that's a hornworm, but we're gonna get rid of them. If any of you guys know what that is, comment below and let me know if it's harmful to the tomato plant. I got a feeling it is, but we're gonna dispose of them. Ah, I found a bad one. Got a worm. Let's peel this back. Let's see how far he went. Oh, 2 worms. That's not a good sign. That's the first time we've seen any type of insect. Yeah, this one's no good. All right, we'll throw that aside for the chickens. And we've managed to avoid the Japanese beetle invasion. Oh look, there's another worm right here. Yep, that's no good. Man, that's 2 wasted. Definitely gotta get this corn picked as soon as it's ready. We checked yesterday, we thought we could go 1 more day. That's obviously not the case. We've been invaded. Check this one. All right, this one's good to go. Good and healthy. So we got a ton of tomato plant prunings, some sweet corn that didn't make the cut, some tomatoes that didn't make the cut. We're gonna give these to the chickens. The chickens go crazy for this. Come on, chickens. We got our shelf cut for the waterer. Now we need to see if it's actually gonna fit. Look at that, fits great. We want the bungee cord to be up high so it doesn't hinder the nipples. No need to torque it down a lot. All right, we're good there. I would say 1 screw on each side should be the ticket. All right, how are we looking? Perfect, look at that. If you haven't raised meat birds, you need to give it a try. It is fun and it's gratifying. You sit down at that dinner table and you eat that chicken has a story. Even vegetables, just plant. That tomato has a story. The lettuce has a story. The spinach has a story. It all has stories. Why? Because you grew it. You know, you didn't use any chemicals. That's if you go the organic route like most of us homesteaders do. Trust me, it's well worth it. Stay away from pesticides like 7. That's not needed. Don't use that stuff. Don't. Stay away from that. Stay away from the chemicals. Stay away. Woo, I love homesteading. Ain't nothing like this. I am pumped. All right, let's get these meat birds out here. Well, not yet. I gotta make that waterer. They are anxious, they're hungry. I haven't fed them yet this morning. They're chirping away. Chirp, 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 chirp. As you can tell, I am pumped. I love homesteading. I love raising our own chickens for meat. I love gardening, as you can tell. This next chapter in our life, greenhouses or greenhouse, veggie stand, storefronts on Amazon and eBay, which we did not mention in the last vlog. I'm going to be selling heirloom plants for homesteaders or home growers, plants that's ready to be transplanted. Our farm stand is going to be geared towards educational purposes. We want our customers to know the story behind every vegetable there that's in front of them. That way when they go home and eat it, they can tell the story to their kids. Hey, and we might inspire a couple of people to grow your own food. Get away from the grocery stores. Why? Because you don't know what they spray on those veggies and fruits, and you don't know what they put in those meats. This is where it's at. Grow your own food. Homestead. You don't need a lot of land to homestead. You don't even need an acre, half acre, quarter acre. Just do it. Just plant. All right, let's make that water. We got our 8 Easter eggers and our 2 black copper marrons ready to go in their coop. Just gotta fill their waterer, get some feed in there, and put some pine shavings in the roosting area. You guys ready? There's one.
Oh, make a fluffy sheet. Put your head back in.
2.
There he is.
3. 4. 5. Now they should be able to reach the water. Oh yeah. We'll monitor them as the day goes on. I might have to lower it 1 link. Put your head back in. Why you gotta make it difficult? Alright. Come on. Alright, get your head back in. There's always a stubborn one. Come on, get your head back in. The stubborn one is right here. Alright guys, this is your temporary new home until you're old enough to go into the ChickShaw. You got grass, look at that. You got a waterer, you got feed. You got a roosting area that's all clean. Scratch away, my friends. Some of them found their feed already. But here in about 2 weeks, they'll be old enough to where I go to feed them. They'll be trying to fly out of the chicken tractor. And that lasts for about a month. And then they calm down, they don't try to fly out anymore. Is that it?
Yep.
Is it?
Yep, every single one of them.
Huh, sure is. That right there is a win, folks. Look at that. I was worried about that because they're not used to that type of waterer. That right there is a win. I tell you, without these solar lights, there'd be predators all over your coop. Plus, we also had a street light we had installed last year, which also helps. Well, these solar lights are awesome. That one can go right there. Boom, look at that. Awesome. Can't wait to come out here tonight and check it out. So now I'm gonna go check the nesting crates for eggs and hopefully I will find some. I know they laid one in there this morning. I hope they laid all their eggs in there. Freckles, how are you? Did you lay an egg today? Alright. If I can make my way through the jungle here. Man. I should have cut some of this down before putting the chickens in here, but that's alright. Alright. Box number 1. Ooh, look at that. We got 3, 4 eggs. Yes. Like I said earlier, our hens are used to laying on pine shavings versus straw. Alright, none in box number 2. Let's go to box number 3. We got 2. Yes. Alright, that gives 6 eggs so far. And box number 4. If I can get it out. Oh, we got 2. Got an Easter egger and a silky. Look at that. So we got 3, 5, we got 8 eggs. Awesome. Awesome. And all the shavings stayed in the crate. What an awesome modification. Can't get any better than that. Awesome job, ladies. I'm interested to see if they laid any under the ramp. None. Look at that. How awesome. And I don't see any under the ChickShaw or inside the ChickShaw. What an improvement. What a modification. Ah, it's good to see the solar lights working. about back here? Oh yeah. Oh, hold up. There we go. Okay. So you guys are going to be well lit during the night in case a fox or something shows up. You're drinking your water. Awesome deal. You guys have a good night. Stay safe. Always like to throw my extra cut pieces on top just in case it rains or showers. Gives them a little bit of extra cover just in case. Alright, they have figured out the water. We appreciate you guys tuning in and watching. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell icon to get future notifications on all uploads. We have a lot of plans coming down the pipe, so you don't want to miss what's coming up. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great day or a good night. See you guys next time, and God bless.